Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I want to share with you guys how I keep my family healthy by reducing the amount of cholesterol in our food. Please relax and watch till the very end. Guys, the secret is an air fryer, and not just any type of air fryer. Okay, you have to be sure you go for the good ones. I'll be introducing this brand to you guys. This is Joyami air fryer. Guys, when you use an air fryer, it reduces the fat and oil in your food by 85%. So let's go on and unbox the Joyami air fryer so you guys see how nicely it is packaged. And I always admire brands that like package their products nicely. This air fryer has a capacity of 6 quarts. Product dimensions are 14 inches diameter, 11.2 inches wide, and 12.4 inches high. It comes in color black and a gray handle, and this is the air fryer basket. It has a basket that is coated with a non-stick coating, which makes it very easy to clean. I love the fact that this air fryer is quite large and big enough to prepare food for the entire family. Another thing I love about this particular air fryer is the fact that it has a clear window and an interior light, so this allows you to monitor your food while it is cooking without needing to open and pull the basket out. This is the heating element, and guys, it heats your food so fast, helping you to achieve the same level of crispiness as if you fried it in oil. I've gone ahead here to wash the basket with warm soapy water, and I'm going to show you guys how I prepare my food in air fryer and achieve a very nice crispiness. The Joyami air fryer has 8 cooking presets that you can access with just one tap, and you can also adjust the temperature or the time to your desired time, and the time can be anywhere from 1 to 60 minutes. You can adjust it to suit your personal recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in some cut potato into the air fryer basket. I'm going to season with some sea salt and a sprinkle of black pepper, and then a sprinkle of olive oil, and then I'm going to shake it around and use the first preset, which is the French fries preset. The French fry preset is already programmed to make French fries at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, but you can choose to adjust the time depending on how crispy you like your French fries. This was exactly after 20 minutes, guys, and this is what I have, and this is how I love my French fries. Guys, there are a lot of things we can't control. For instance, you can't say you are preventing yourself from having cancer because you don't even know what exactly causes cancer. But guys, we can prevent cholesterol. We can use air fryers and air fry our food instead of dipping them in oil. I so much recommend this air fryer, guys. The link will be in my description box. Make sure you check out the link. It will be a direct link to Amazon where you can purchase the Joyami air fryer. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.